Today I'm going to show you arrays in PHP. So let's start first a browser. Let's check our localhost is running or not. It is not running. We need to start our SAM control panel and start our Apache service. So Apache service has been started. If I just so Apache service has been started, and let's just start a notepad editor. Here we'll go to the PHP programs. And now we are going to see arrays. Well, arrays in PHP or arrays in any programming language, it is nothing but a set of elements combined together. Arrays nothing but arrays. A set of elements like colors, players, months. That is nothing but a set of collection. We can have n number of colors, we can have n number of players, we can have 12 months in a year. So that is nothing but a collection. The syntax for defining any array in PHP is like variable array variable equals to array is a keyword, and inside you need to write element 1 comma element 2 comma so on. So that's how you can define elements in array. So let's just take an example of days in a week array. So how many days are there? There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So that's how you can define days in a week. Now just save this program with the name all files arrays.php. Now if I refresh this, it will be available over here, and if I just click unexpected close, here we have put extra semicolon. We need to remove that, and it is running fine without any error. Now if I want to see what are the values of this array, so I can just use print_r function to see the values in days array. You can use this print function for any array values to see any array values on the screen. Now this is nothing but indexed array. Indexed array means it doesn't have any keys associated with this. It is accepting a default keys like 0, 1, 2 and so on. It always start from 0 index key. Now if I want to see what is the value of the 5th element, so I just need to put $days of 4. It will show the 5th value of that array. Friday, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is nothing but the 5th value of this array. So that's how you can use this indexed array in your PHP script. Now if I want to loop through this array, loop through this indexed array, I can use one function over here which can count the length of that array. That means how many array elements are there in days array. Just need to save, and if I say echo total number of elements in days array, so it will show me the total number of elements in that array. Now if I want to loop through this, so I just need to use for $num equals to 0, because the index, let's say I equals to 0, index starts from 0 as you can see here, and $I less than count of $days, $I plus plus increment or decrement goes here. And if I want to see what are the values over there, so I can see day number $0 $I and $days of $I. We will add BR over here. So I just need to save this, and when I refresh this, it is showing day number 0, that is index 0, it is having a Monday, at index 1 Tuesday, and so on. So that's how you can look through indexed array in PHP. In the next tutorial we are going to see associative array, that is nothing but arrays with some user defined keys. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.